happy you're here. Let's take this walk together. The Adriatic is calm today. Soft waves rolling against the stones. The morning air warm but gentle. Smells like salt, pine, sunscreen, and just a little bit like freedom. Zadar is waking up around us. You can hear the gulls, you can hear the cicadas, and if you listen closely, maybe even the famous sea organ in the distance playing its deep, peaceful notes as the waves move through the pipes. No instrument in the world sounds like this place. Let's walk, just breathe, just be. This is Beach Walk with Olivia, your little break by the sea. So didn't do nowhere to hurry, only sunshine, water, and you walking with me, walking with me, walking with me. Zadar is one of the oldest towns on the Adriatic, more than 3,000 years of history, and somehow it still feels fresh, light and full of life. There's something special about the way old stones meet modern art here. Roman ruins, tiny cafes, bright blue sea, and people from all over the world all sharing the same sunset. Speaking of sunsets, did you know Alfred Hitchcock once said that Zadar has the most beautiful sunset in the world, even more beautiful than Key West apparently. And honestly, you'll understand why when the day ends. The beach is quiet this morning, pebbles warm from the first touch of sun, waves brushing your ankles, light dancing on the surface like 1,000 fireflies. To your right, the coastline with pines and little beach bars, still half asleep. To your left, the open sea and a line of islands, each one a small paradise of coves, cliffs, and secret blue bays. Sometimes the air here carries a soft herbal scent, sage, rosemary, wild sea wind. It's the fragrance of Dalmatian itself. Walk with Olivia, slow steps, light heart, salt on the breeze. This moment is exactly where you're meant to be. I love the energy of this place. It's calm but not sleepy, alive but not rushed, the perfect place to just be yourself, to let the sea sort out your thoughts and the sun smooth out the rest. You're walking with me, Olivia, but you're also walking with the Adriatic, with the breeze, with the stones warmed by hundreds of summers, with the gentle rhythm of the waves. There's something grounding about it, isn't there? Like the world gets quiet and suddenly you remember what actually matters. You can feel the wildness of that landscape, even from here, in the clarity of the water and the clean, sharp smell of sea air. Beach Walk with Olivia is not just a walk, it's a feeling. Warm, simple, a little magical, like Zadar itself. Let's pause for a moment, look at the waves curling toward the shore, listen to their calm rhythm, feel the sun warming the skin on your arms, the breeze moving gently through your hair. This is the part that stays with you.